Here I am attempting to pack to leave. Now remember, this is my whole life, so it is going to be absolutely full. In the top half, that's just a mesh zip, and I really put things like all my shoes. That's my laundry bag, obviously my winter coat. I do have a vacuum seal bag because I bought it with me when I moved here to China, so I think I'm going to use it again. I've bought a blanket that I quite want to take home, and I've got my Egyptian towel, my Turkish towel, for those of you that have seen my Turkey travels. And basically, I just have two packing cubes. This one, full of winter things, that's why it's packed, and then the other one, summer. Because all of this stuff lives in here for the most part. There's a few things I've definitely added because, as I say, I'm packing up. But I keep one of these inside as it's just stored, because you can see it has a lot of my belongings, and yeah, it's just good for humidity. So obviously that comes out before I leave, and also my handbag for when I travel, that also lives in here because I have no other use for it, and that's also full of stuff. This is my new bathroom bag. I actually saw those two lovely ladies that the Freedom, I can't remember what they're called, their travel channel, and they travel full time. I saw them have that in like a packing video early on, so I was like, let me try it out, and it's quite good. I mean, I've got a lot of sort of boxes in here because I've bought skincare that I'm going to use obviously while I'm at home and then into my next move. So, and it's cheaper to buy it here and some things you can't get at home, or you couldn't before I left, and they're more expensive. So I am kind of stocked up ready, so I don't really have to buy too much. Sunglasses, another pair of glasses. I don't actually think I've worn those. And then really just little packing cubes. I have this is the IKEA, because I keep my underwear in it, like when I'm just normally living, but as I say, I'm starting to pack up, so these sorts of things can just be away. Got a couple of new pairs of period underwear that are, yeah, ready to go, and as I say, they're like so much cheaper than at home. I have a massive Costco size of multivitamins, and so I've decanted some, and this still might be thrown out because it's just heavy. I have all my socks, which are about 3 pairs of merino socks. I'm wanting to get an SSD drive because then it's smaller and I believe lighter than like the normal hard drive. And oh, I have my very essential weigh scales, because I will be pushing the 32 kgs and I'm a bit worried. Like, as I'm sitting here thinking about all the other stuff that still has to go in, oh god, obviously I've got my carry-on suitcase, which is always horrendously overweight.